Can replacing butter with plant oils help you live longer? A recent Harvard study published in JAMA Internal Medicine suggests that choosing plant oils over butter might actually extend your life. Researchers analyzed decades of data from long-term health studies to understand how butter and plant oils affect overall mortality. Key findings from the study. The study revealed a clear pattern. People who consumed more butter had a higher risk of death, while those who used more plant-based oils had a lower risk. Specifically, those who ate the most butter had a 15% higher risk of death, while those who consumed the most plant oils had a 16% lower risk compared to those who ate the least of each. Additionally, higher butter consumption was linked with an increased risk of dying from cancer. In contrast, greater intake of certain plant oils, like soybean, canola, and olive oil, was associated with a reduced risk of death from cancer and cardiovascular diseases such as stroke and heart attack. What happens if you make the switch? The researchers modeled what would happen if people replaced just 10 grams of butter per day, slightly less than 1 tablespoon, with an equal amount of plant-based oil. The result: a noticeable reduction in total deaths and cancer-related deaths. While butter lovers may not welcome the news, swapping it out for healthier plant oils could be a simple change that makes a big difference. Choosing plant-based oils like olive, canola, or soybean oil may not only benefit your heart but could also help you live a longer, healthier life. Why switching from butter to plant oils can boost your health. According to Dr. Walter C. Willett, a professor at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health and Harvard Medical School, butter contains almost no essential fatty acids and has a modest amount of trans fat, a type of fat strongly linked to cardiovascular disease. This makes it a less heart-friendly option compared to plant-based oils. On the other hand, the plant oils examined in the Harvard study, including olive, canola, and soybean oil, are rich in antioxidants, unsaturated fats, and essential fatty acids. These nutrients are associated with better cholesterol levels, lower triglycerides, and improved insulin sensitivity. When used in place of saturated fats like butter, plant oils may also help reduce chronic inflammation, a key contributor to many chronic illnesses such as heart disease and diabetes. These benefits are in line with the American Heart Association and dietary guidelines for Americans, both of which recommend replacing saturated fats with healthier unsaturated fats. Still love butter? That's okay in moderation. Dr. Willett notes that a little butter occasionally for its flavor would not be a problem. But for overall better health, he recommends choosing liquid plant oils whenever possible, whether for cooking, dressing, or spreading. Exploring different oils like olive, sesame, mustard, or blends of butter and oil can help you find flavorful, heart-healthy alternatives that fit your taste preferences. Study strengths and limitations to keep in mind. This large-scale Harvard study analyzed health data from over 221,000 adults who took part in long-term health research, including the Nurses' Health Study, Nurses' Health Study 2, and the Health Professionals Follow-up Study. Participants completed detailed dietary questionnaires every 4 years, providing a wealth of data over several decades. Strengths of the study. Large sample size. With more than 221,000 participants, the study offers strong statistical power. Long-term follow-up. Researchers tracked health outcomes for up to 33 years, allowing for a deeper understanding of long-term dietary impacts. Thorough adjustments. The study accounted for many factors that influence health, including age, physical activity, smoking, and family history of diseases such as cancer and diabetes. These adjustments help strengthen the reliability of the results. Limitations to consider. Observational nature. Like all observational studies, this research cannot prove cause and effect. It can only show associations between diet and health outcomes. Lack of diversity. Most participants were white healthcare professionals, which means the findings may not be fully applicable to more diverse populations or people with different lifestyles. While the study doesn't offer absolute proof, it adds valuable evidence to the growing body of research supporting the health benefits of choosing plant oils over butter.